pedal is moving. It's not work. Motor is not work when I pedal down, like it's not work somehow. Do pedal, it's not work. So how can I solve this problem? Display is working, show also assist level, battery is fully charged, but it was in my house, front of house, and whole night it was a bit snowfall. I don't know what happened, but my motor is not moving somehow. Could you please check it out and give me a solution? What can I do?